Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making Jamaican pickled pepper. We normally eat this with fried fish during Easter, but you know, it can always be added to chicken or pork, beef, whatever you want. So can go with almost anything. So right here we have some habanero pepper in different colors, some carrots. I tried doing some patterns, I'm not good at it, but there you go. Some onions right there. You can use yellow onions, white onions, whichever onion you prefer. Also, I have some white vinegar with pimento. Just warm it up with a little bit of sugar and a little bit of salt. We have our jar over there. Make sure that your jar is properly clean because you know you have to have that. So I'm gonna layer these and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so after I layer everything together, you can choose to do whatever however you want it. Um, I'm gonna add my vinegar to it. Vinegar is right here. Um, Guys, please make sure that you have a window open or something because this is pretty strong. Yeah, it is very strong. And let's go. Okay guys, so there you have it. Our Jamaican hot pickled pepper sauce. There we go. You can leave this on the countertop for some days so everything can kind of mellow together. Tastes way better. You can wait a couple hours to use it, but traditionally, we let this stay out and just go and do it thing. See there? And yeah, there you go guys. I hope you enjoy and leave a comment and tell me what you'd like to see next.